a vlog for you guys, and honestly it's so cold right now and my voice is so like weird because I'm sick because of my soccer game. I was playing so late and it was cold. So yeah guys, I look like Dora. Ew. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I just came at school, you know, I'm already here.
You know, Celeste
you know, you guys are gonna be in my vlog, be hyped or whatever.
Oh my god.
Your neck got stuck. Oh, and your thing. Become in the video.
Hi.
Hey guys, so we're talking about our soccer game and how we won and how they were playing really rough and how we got bruises. Show them your freaking bruise.
Guys, I'm not this orange.
Yeah, she's not.
Okay, I'm done.
And then I had to put band-aids right there.
That's actually scary. You know what? I'm actually
No, and they're
scared of
LOL
myself.
band-aids. Look at that. They're LOL.
Yeah, come over here. I'll be in the light. See, look, I could have just pressed on your face.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Let's
And then you'll have a sun glow. See? Ooh, cute.
that looks cute.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go to my first period right now, so bye. Hey guys.
Are you gonna post this on your YouTube channel?
Yes.
Oh my
so
God.
she's doing henna on me.
With marker, but it doesn't really show.
Yeah.
Because my markers are off.
Yeah, it's her highlighters. Her erasable highlighters. She's so cool, guys.
I know.
She has some cool stuff. So it turns out we're going on a field trip.
We don't know the time though.
It's at 10, I think. So I'm not gonna be here for third, fourth, fifth, and then I'm gonna come back 6th.
I don't want to talk about
Alright guys, so this is the one Celeste got me. Move!
No, bitch!
That's Juliana.
I got her
Juliana got her this, and then Eileen got Juliana.
Look how
this.
cute. Like all these chips and things that that's you. 30 kids could get it, but this is all like,
And then Yuli
my lips.
gave that to Celeste. She already ate most of the stuff.
Man, I only ate open the gum.
Celeste got me this, and then we're all just chilling like a villain.
And I got a bucket by
You
accident.
already know the whole group, the squad. Hey guys, so we're going on a field trip unexpectedly. I didn't even know. Wow. You guys want to be in my vlog? Guys, you're in my vlog, okay? Okay. Where is Arlene?
She's right here.
Arlene. She's just like, huh? She's like, huh? My bestie, you already know. Wow. Look at the henna she did. Henna.
That was you, man.
You did it worse, so I fixed it up.
Look at the hair just stuck on accident. You missed my part.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you miss it.
Imagine I
Ain't no
smelled like that again.
competition, just go.
Dude, I'm scared.
In her picture, she smelled like this.
I was like,
Did you bring back socks? Picture day. What do you mean picture day?
no.
Oh, soccer pictures. Yes, I brought
I'm
them.
gonna smile like that again. I'll be like,
I know, that's what she smiled in the picture.
no, this is Facebook over here. Yes, girl.
We're at the field trip, you know, everybody's back there following us. And yeah, this is kind of awkward, so I'm gonna turn off my phone. Bye. Hey guys,
Okay, so-
we're in this thingamabob, I don't know what it is.
We're in the gym, and yeah.
Yarlene, you want to be in my vlog?
Associate's degree while attending high school. Our academies give you the opportunity to choose your own academic path. If you are someone that is creative and wants
We're on our way back to school. So my mom brought me Taco Bell, you already know. Woo. Hey guys, so we're at lunch and the music just stopped. We were freaking going, what else do you want from me? We're doing nothing. And it was honestly badass, huh?
Celeste didn't know how to do it.
She like, dang, dang.
She did it her.
She was doing a zapateado.
danced with 2 left feet.
So yes, guys, we are on our way to our sixth period.
And she was like 1.
Yes. 20 hours later. Oops.
Are these hard oil bags?
Hurry up, Ashley! It's been recording for 3 seconds.
Move that, yeah, we have to prove. 1, 2, oh. Where you go? On the concrete, he said. Go throw it up. It's done.
Huh? No.
I'm watching it.
It didn't even crack! Mr. B! We just got out of 6th period, and we always meet back here because we're cool like that. And we have our own secret hideout. Just kidding. There's so much other people here. It's not secret, so yeah.
Bye.
Bye.